January, and that means that tax season is in full swing. And this year, if you are a single member LLC, an LLC with multiple members, or a corporation, you have to be aware that there is a new reporting requirement. Now, this reporting requirement is called the Beneficial Ownership Information Report, or the BOI report, or the BOIR. And this report isn't something you're going to have to do every year. Instead, you are only going to have to do this report initially and then whenever there are changes in the beneficial owners of your organization. A lot of people have asked me if they are a sole proprietorship with a DBA, if they have to file the BOI report. And the answer to that question is no. In order to be required to file the BOI report, you are going to have a business that is recognized by the state as separate from your person. And so what that looks like is if you filed LLC, articles of organization, or corporation, articles of incorporation with a state or a foreign entity, foreign government, then you have to do this report. But if all you have is a doing business as under your personal name, you are not an entity, and therefore you do not have to file the BOI report. The reason we're filing this report is to help the government combat things like tax evasion and different things like money laundering, because what a lot of very intelligent con men are starting to do is layering these entities one on top of the other, and it makes it hard for the government to weed down and see who is actually in control of these LLCs and corporations that are owned by other businesses. The downside to that is even if you are owned by a person, even if there is a single member ownership, then you still have to file this report. I've done this report for myself. It took less than 10 minutes. The thing that took me the longest was taking a photo of my passport and uploading it. You don't have to have a passport. You can use your state ID. It was just closer to me where I was at my desk. So don't be concerned about this. This isn't this huge deal. But if you are not an LLC or a corporation, you do not have to file the BOI report.